What's up guys, it's KGS and this is a tutorial of how to go in first person in Steep. This only works on PS4 because I'm only on PS4. I don't know why it works. But if you're a PS4 player and you want to go first person because you don't really like the third, well, it's really easy, just one click button. So let me just stop right here. So what you want to press is L1. Let's get this. Oh. Alright, you gotta start somewhere where you can ski. Get out, Jesus Christ. Alright. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose this place right here. And you gotta press L1. So look, you're doing a GoPro. Oh, I just broke my back. So, let's do a mission using GoPro. It works for any. I'm just gonna do this. Now I'm just gonna do a mission without GoPro. I suggest not using GoPro because you know how look, you can use GoPro whenever you want, but when you're doing wings I suggest using GoPro. I switched my mind because you get better angle. You can use GoPro at first and then GoPro. You can use GoPro at the second and you do third person like at the first. So now I'm going to complete this mission with GoPro. Wow. So you gotta get down. Yeah, and then right now you can use GoPro. I suggest getting a high jump when you're gonna use GoPro because yeah, I'm getting hit everywhere. Look, I'm hit. But I suggest using the third person at first, and later on when you feel like using GoPro, you can. Especially for wingsuit missions. I did not know that. Right. Alright. Get some high altitude here, buddy. High altitude. Now GoPro. Look, you see, I suggest not using GoPro. But you can use by using skiing, snowboards, but winging or rocket ride things, yeah, I suggest not using. See how I keep dying here, boy? Boy! I'm gonna use rocket wings here. Look, I'm super incredible! Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me, GoPro. Look at me, GoPro. Look at me do GoPro. Look at me, now I'm not doing GoPro. Wait, let's go up to space. I just want to do one final experiment. This is altitude 9. We're going up to space. This is just like Just Cause 4 or something.
Your rep just keeps going from strength to strength. We just snagged an invite to another Red Bull get-together called Cold Rush. You'll be going up against the world's best skiers at the ultimate free ski competition, so let's go win ourselves some respect and show them what you got.
Ah, fuck you. I am going to upload my events.